In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay money requests on Airbnb. Paying money requests on Airbnb is a straightforward process, but it does require a few precise steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up the Airbnb app on your device. Once you've done that, you'll need to sign into your account. It's really important to confirm that you're successfully logged in before moving forward because you'll need access to your account to complete this process. Now let's talk about how you actually go about sending the money. To start, you'll need to visit the Resolution Center on Airbnb. This is the dedicated area where you can handle any financial activities, including payments or requests. To access this, simply add /resolution to the end of the Airbnb web address in your browser. For example, if you're using a browser to access Airbnb, just type in airbnb.com/resolution. This simple step will directly take you to the Resolution Center. Once you've arrived at the Resolution Center, you should see a clear option labeled Send Money. This is the button you'll need to click to initiate the payment process. This button is essential because it takes you to the section where you can view and pay any money requests sent by a host. After clicking the Send Money button, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. Make sure that all the information you enter is accurate and that you have enough funds available to fulfill the request. It's always a good idea to double-check these details to avoid any undue stress later on. Let's quickly note something for those who might be hosts. If you're a host, the process allows you not only to send money, but also to request money from your guests. You can send a request to a specific client if there are any additional charges or discrepancies that need to be settled. This flexibility is part of what makes Airbnb a user-friendly platform for both hosts and guests. And that's it. That's the entire process of paying money requests on Airbnb. Just follow these steps, and you should be able to handle any financial requests quickly and efficiently. I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your Airbnb transactions with ease. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.